Hey, high leveler, Star here. Let's say you're doing lead generation for your agency and you're pulling in data into your CRM about specific leads. Maybe you have their contact information and that's just it. You can actually utilize our AI agent actions right inside of the workflow to connect to MCP servers. These external servers are able to bring in additional data about your leads by going out and finding information such as their business, their social media presence online, and then bring that information into high level to enrich the lead. Let me show you how to set this up. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub account level. On the left-hand side, let's click on automation. Once inside of automation, we're going to go ahead and click on create workflow. Let's start from scratch. So as described, we're going to go ahead and start our trigger with a contact being created. So we're just going to go ahead and create that trigger and we'll look for contact created. So once this contract is created, we're going to save the trigger. And next we're going to use our AI agent. So we're just going to go ahead and select AI agent. Now, obviously, there are certain things that you can utilize directly in the system. In this case, we're going to use an external tool that would require an MCP to connect into high level. So we're going to go ahead and click on Add Tool. And once you click on Add Tool, just scroll down to the bottom and you'll see MCP. Here's where you're going to add any MCP server connections that you're interested in adding. Let's go ahead and click on Add Connection. Then we're going to go ahead and enter in the connection name, the server URL, as well as the API key. Once we've entered that information in, you're going to go ahead and click on Test Connection. And then once it's connected, you'll see this green confirmation here that it's connected. So I'm going to go ahead and save. Okay, so once it's saved, you'll see that you actually have your MCP connection here, and you can select whether you want it to do a web search or a web fetch. And now you'll see this green check mark appear. Okay, so now we have our AI agent action. We're going to go ahead and give it some instructions and you'll see that our connection is here. We're going to go ahead and save this action. Don't forget to publish and save your workflow. Go ahead and start using MCP connections today right inside of our AI agent actions. This allows you to go beyond CRM data, open up ecosystems on pre-built servers, and extend your designs. I can't wait to see what you do with it. For more information on this tutorial, check out our corresponding help doc below. And if you like this training, check out our Content Army playlist for more tutorials like this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.